Hey everybody, I'm Giao and welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, I'm Giao and welcome to my channel. My name is spelled G-I-A-O but pronounced as Giao and I'm an artist. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. I think it is, so let's see, I think it's on this side. No, I think it's on this side. Hey everybody, so if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I think the button is just right here to subscribe. You can just click on that, and then don't forget to click on that little cute bell as well. So therefore, when I have a video, you can get notified of my video. But anyway, today we are going to do a portrait. The portrait that I'm doing is influenced once again by makeup and social media, and I hope you enjoy my painting. Hey everybody, so I hope you really enjoyed my painting, and I would love to show you what it looks like right now. This here is the painting. So this here is a painting. I'm going to do 20 portraits. Maybe I will do more, I'm not sure. But so this here is probably my 4th portrait within my makeup and social media painting. So at the moment I just love fashion and I love makeup, and I've always loved fashion and makeup, so that's why I'm drawing all these portraits with so much makeup on them. And so here she has a beautiful orangey red background and her hair is purpley orangey, and she's got vibrant big lips, she's got huge eyes, and her nose is very delicate, as you can see, and her neck is also very delicate as well. So this here is the painting that is inspired by makeup and also social media. And the reason why I'm doing so many paintings in regards to social media is because I'm learning about social media, because it's just so important right now. If you have a business or if you have artwork, to promote it on to Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, and maybe even all of those, and Snapchat. I am not on Snapchat right now, but I'm thinking about starting Snapchat as well. It's so important to be on those platforms if you have a business or you have art that you want to promote. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up. Up until next time, I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful time with all your family and all your friends, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!